I'm starting Unit 4, Science Learner Book Grade 3, Staying Alive. Lesson 4.1, Human Organs. So you can see here a picture. From here you can find the main parts or main organ of the human body. Brain, number 1. Number 2, lungs. Number 3, heart. Number 4, stomach. And number 5, intestine. There are some vocabulary words: beat, blood vessels, brain, breath, breathe, exercise, heart rate, intestine, lungs, muscles, nutrient, organ, pulse, and stomach. These vocabulary words you are using in this lessons. So look at the picture of the inside of a human body. You can see inside of the human body. Point to your own body to show the position of your brain. Where is your brain? In your head. Where is your heart? You can see on the left side, little bit left side, okay, from the center, lungs, your stomach, and intestine. So this is all the main organ of your body. One of the organ, your heart. Your body has many parts. Some of these parts are called organ. Each organ does an important job, an important role in making your body work. First of all, your heart. Your heart is an organ. It pushes blood around your body. It pushes blood around your body. Your heart is made of muscles. Your complete body, starting from your hair, from your head up until your toes. So complete body covered with muscles. So your heart is made of muscles, which is strong and can squeeze blood into the tubes called blood vessels. So each squeeze of the heart is called a beat. So you can check your pulses or your beat, how many times in a minute. It's normal, 50, 60 until 100, less than 100 in a minute. So if you're running or doing exercise, it's increased, but at normal it's 50 or 60. Each beat, and this is I'm talking about your heartbeat rate. Each beat of the heart pushes blood into and around your body vessels. Any part of your body, if you there is a little bit cut or it's injured, you can see at the same time the blood start coming on. So each of your body part, this is all controlled by your heart. If you exercise, you may feel your heart beating faster. Using a model of the heart help you learn about the heart. To help you grow, you need to look after your heart. Obviously, all of your body, the blood is controlled by your heart. So if you want to make your body healthy and want to make your heart it's good working, so you need to look after your health and you should eat a healthy diet. To help your grow, you need to look after your heart with the healthy diet. What is healthy diet? You're eating. What are you eating? Are you eating and doing exercise? What kind of food you are eating? It's junky food like burger, pizza, and the drinks. You're drinking fizzy drinks, no, which is not good for your health. You're eating healthy diet, okay, balanced diet, and by taking exercise each day, 30 minutes, at least 1 hour. So in the morning time or before evening. So this time best for doing exercise. By feeling your pulse in your rest, you can count your heartbeat. You can count your heartbeat. So you can also on your rest, you can find the pulses. Okay. It just you need to push your thumb or like this two finger on the rest and you can find your pulse. You will feel your pulse as your heartbeat. The speed of beating is your heart rate. Heartbeat rate or heart rate. Page number 93, question number 1. Can you feel your heart beating? Can you feel your heart beating? Have you felt your heart beat faster after you have been running or playing? Yes, obviously. First of all, can you feel your heartbeat? Yes, you can feel. If you can put your fingers, okay, your fingers like this one on your wrist, then you can feel it. Or if you put your hand on the left side, okay, of your body, okay, like this place, you can feel it little bit. If you put your hand, okay, left, this one, your right hand on the left side, so you can feel it, your heartbeat, you can feel it. How have you felt your heartbeat faster? Obviously, when you're running, okay, or you're doing exercise, or when you're playing, okay, so you're breathing faster. You can feel if you run 5-10 minutes or playing 15-20 minutes, so then you need to breathe faster. Why? Because your heartbeat rate increased at that time. Okay, think like a scientist. You will need a stopwatch. Okay, Marcus and Zara are investigating how their heart speed up when they exercise. Your heart rate went up from 65 beats per minute to 85 beats per minute. Yeah, this is starting from 60 to 80. For small children like your age, it's the normal 65 to 85. So Zara and Marcus are investigating how their heart speed up when they are doing exercise. Okay, look at the bar chart. You can see here at rest and when they are not doing anything. Like now you're sitting. This is the position of it. This is the normal heartbeat rate, normal position. Okay, after 1 minute of exercise and after 2 minutes of exercise, 2 minutes after the exercise. So you can see here it's now reaching at the position of 85 and at the rest position it is normal at 60 and 60 or 65. So what was Zara heart rate before the exercise? So you can see it's 65. So you can write it. The answer for one was 65 beat per second, beat per minute. Sorry, I read yes in the shortcut BPM, beats per minute. This is the answer for one. Let's write it. What was Zara's heart rate after exercise? After 1 minute of exercise, so it's increased to 85. It was 85 beat per minute. What was Zara's heart rate after 2 minutes? After 2 minutes of rest. After 2 minutes of rest, Zara's heart rate after 2 minutes of rest again come back to 65. You can see here after 2 minutes it come back to 65 after the exercise because the body come. It's not mean after 1 minute of exercise. If she do the exercise after 1 minute, and she was sitting, not doing the exercise at that time. So after 1 minute, when she want to take rest, so she checked it's an 85. But after 2 minutes, her body get normal. So now it's again 65. 65 beat per minute. Her body at rest position now. After 2 minutes, it's come back again at the rest position. So it's again 65 at the normal position. The bar chart shows a pattern. Do you think the same pattern always happen when you exercise and then stop? Obviously, you can say yes. Why? Because when you're doing exercise, your heartbeat rate increasing, and when you finish the exercise or finish playing, then sitting, then it's come back to normal. It's not staying at the same position. When it's normal, when you're walking, it's a little bit increase. When you're running, it more increase. When you come back and sit at red position, it's come back to normal. But the normal is a normal 60 to 70. This is the normal heartbeat rate. So you can write it. Same thing. The same thing with the same pattern always happen when you're doing exercise. Why? Because the body need more oxygen, and after a short time, the heart slow down back to the normal rate of beating when the body is at rest. So this is the same thing happen when you're doing exercise, when you're playing or anything what you're doing in which your body needs to hard work. So just increase your heart rate, then come back again to the normal position. Done was until here. Now use a watch to take the pulse of a friend at rest after 1 minute. After 1 minute's exercise, and again 2 minutes later. Do you see a similar pattern of an increase in heart rate followed by a return to the resting heart rate? Yeah, you can say mostly it's same. Why? Because when you're doing exercise, so after 1 minute of the rest, your body it's take little bit time to come to the rest. Okay, your heartbeat come back to the normal position. It takes a little bit time. So at after 1 minute, you will check it's mostly 80 or 85. But after 2 or 3 minutes, then you check again. It come to normal position after some minutes. After your next, your lungs. In your chest are your two lungs. When you breathe, in your chest get bigger and suck air into your lungs. Oxygen in the air then moves into your blood. You can see the veins here. Here are two veins. Just a minute. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now you can see here one red and one blue. You can see the veins on the screen here. So one of them is the oxygenated and one deoxygenated. Any one with blood mixed with oxygen. Okay, the red one and the blue one. When it's finished, the oxygen finished. When it's go into our body and then come back to the heart, it's deoxygenated. The oxygen finished. So this again mixed with oxygen. Okay, so oxygenated and deoxygenated. So in the lungs, the same thing happened because lungs help us. Look here in your chest, you have two lungs. When you breathe in your chest, it's get bigger. Obviously, when you breathe in, you're taking air or oxygen in, it's get bigger. Chest get bigger and sack air into your lung. Oxygen in the air then move into your blood. Obviously, it makes with your blood. If lungs also clean our the air, the oxygen, and then put into the heart and mix with the blood. If you exercise your body, you need more oxygen. Yeah, I said to you, your heartbeat increase. How it's increased? When you can feel it by your breathing. Your breath rate is faster, like this word. Yeah, so your lungs will take more breathing, more oxygen each minute, so that there is more oxygen in your blood. Children take more breathing, more breath than an adult because their lungs are smaller. So the smaller body, also the heartbeat rates is different from the adult one. If the smaller is 70, so the adult 60. So the smaller they have small lungs, so they need more oxygen or more breathing than the adult one. How many breathe in 1 minute? How many times you are breathing? You will need a stopwatch. There is 26 breath in 1 minute. After 1 minute of exercise, I will count how many times I breathe in for in 1 minute, like this. So it's 26. This is the normal. But after exercise, after 1 minute of exercise, I predict it may be about 35 breath in 1 minute. Okay, you will need a stopwatch for this activity. Predict how many breaths you will take in 1 minute. Predict the number at rest, and then predict the number often after exercise, at rest position and at the exercise position. While you sit at rest, count the time you breathe in during 1 minute. When you're sitting, obviously you're breathing, so you need to count it. It's maybe 25, 26, 27. Okay, near to it. So this is this not exactly 26 coming, 28 may be coming, 24 coming, just near to around 26. So this is your breathing rate at rest, at normal body position like this. So then after 1 minute of get gentle exercise, the normal exercise, count your breath again for 1 minute. Now after doing exercise, just sit like this and now count it after 1 minute. Okay, then again for 1 minute. This is your breathing rate after exercise. Then make a table from your result. So my prediction of breathe in 1 minute rest. My prediction of breathe in 1 minute after exercise. At rest and after exercise, 1 minute. Number of breath in 1 minute at rest. This may be 27, 25, normal. And after exercise, okay, after exercise 1 minute finished, then it's maybe 36, 34, or 35. Okay, same like this. So this you can do by yourself. You can do it in home. No need to go anywhere. Just jumping for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so you can find it. You need more oxygen. Okay, Sophia, investigating breathing rates. Sophia and Marcus testing tested the breath per minute of two teachers. They recorded the result in this table. This is a person, Sophia, Marcus, Mr. Zen, and Mrs. Well. So these two are the teachers, and this one the children. Okay, age 11, and what about the teacher 31 and 29? Okay, prediction at rest, the normal at sitting position. For Sophia 20, for Marcus it's 35, and for Mr. Zen it's 30, and for Mrs. Well it is 25. So breathing rate at rest, at the position of rest. So it's 26. At rest mean the body not doing any work, just sitting. So for you can see the children it's 20, 26, 27, but for the teacher it's 23 and 24. Okay, prediction after exercise, the 1 minute finish. Now you can see the heartbeat. It's uh, more than 36. So it is 40, and for Marcus it's 45. Okay, after the exercise, and for Mr. Zen, it's 40 after the exercise. And what about Mrs. Bell? It is 35. So after exercise. So breathing rate after exercise, this is a prediction what they make, and when they calculate it using the time stopwatch. So after 1 minute after exercise, it's a 50, and for Marcus it is a 48, and for Mr. Zen it's 41, and for Mrs. Bell it is 39. So you can find the difference between the children and between the adults. So for children it's more than as compared to the adults. So why does the breathing rate per minute always increase after exercise? Why does the breathing rate per minute always increase after the exercise? The breathing per rate per minute always, why? Because the body muscles need more oxygen. The body muscles need more oxygen. As I told you, if you're running or doing exercise, so after 1 minute you need more oxygen. Okay, so sometimes you can feel the sweat on your head, on your forehead. Okay, it's wet. Why? Because your body needs more oxygen, and also you are drinking water. You're feeling hungry. Okay, if you're playing 1 or 2 hours, you get hungry and also thirsty. So you can write it because the body or right muscles matter. Muscles or body need more air, more oxygen. I just make a short answer because the muscles need more oxygen. You can write because the body or muscles both need more air or oxygen. Both correct. Why? So whose breathing rate per minute increased most, for adult or for children? Obviously, you can find for the child Sophia, it's 50. Okay, so just write about her Sophia as compared to boy, the girl need more. So you can write it. This per minute increase. Question number three, why was the breathing rate per minute of the adults lower than the children, lower than and that of the children? So let's write number three answer. So what is the reason? As I told you in the topic of lungs, the adults, their lungs are bigger as compared to the children. Children lungs, okay, they are smaller as compared to the adult or the bigger one. So you can write here because adults have bigger lungs, so they need less breathing or less oxygen as compared to the children. We stop here today until here.